Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x square minus 5. This is equals to square root of x plus 5. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Here we will apply my first method. X square minus 5. This is equals to square root of x plus 5. Now here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute square root of x plus 5, this is equals to a. Look carefully, left hand side we have square root of x plus 5, and we know that square root is defined only for positive numbers. So if x plus 5 is positive and we know that square root of positive number is also positive, then you can say a is greater than equals to 0. Now this expression will become x square minus 5. This is equals to square root of x plus 5 is a. Then here value of x square. This is equals to a plus 5. Now look carefully here. If we take a square both side, then x plus 5, this is equals to a square. We have two equations here. First equation, a square, this is equals to x plus 5, this equation, and second equation is x square, this is equals to a plus 5. Now subtract equation. Now subtract equation second from first, then here minus, minus, and here minus. In left hand side, a square minus x square, and right hand side this plus 5 and this minus 5 is cancelled out. Here x minus a. In left hand side, a square minus x square, a square minus x square, and this is equals to, in right hand side, x minus a, x minus a. This is difference between two squares, and this is same as a plus x is multiplied by a minus x. Now this minus a, if we take left hand side, then this is plus a, and this is plus x. If we take left hand side, then this is minus x, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, in left hand side we have a minus x, and a minus x is common factor. So if we take common a minus x here, then you will get here a plus x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule, which is if a times b, this is equals to 0. This implies you can say a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then this expression is a and this expression is b. Then here you can say a minus x, this is equals to 0, or a plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here value of a is equals to x, and here value of a is equals to minus x minus 1. Let's say this is case first and this is case second. Now first we will solve case first. Case first, a is equals to x, and look carefully here, this equation x square, this is equals to a plus 5, x square, this is equals to a plus 5, then x square, this is equals to here a, and we know that a is equals to x, so this is replaced by x plus 5. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus x minus 5, and this is equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation in terms of x. Here we will apply quadratic formula, but look carefully here, value of a is equals to 1, and value of b is equals to minus 1, and value of c is equals to minus 5. And quadratic formula, x is equals to, this is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus, and value of b is minus 1, plus minus square root of b square means minus 1 square minus 4 and value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 5 and divide by 2 times a and value of a is 1. Then x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 5 is 20 and divide by 2. Then x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 21 divided by 2. Here we have two possible values of x. First value of x is equals to 1 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. And second value of x is equals to 1 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. Look carefully, we have here a is equals to x. And look here, a is greater than equals to 0. Here a is greater than equals to 0. A is equals to x and a is greater than equals to 0. So here we can say x is also greater than equals to 0. Now look carefully, this value of x is approximately equals to 2.792 and this value of x is approximately equal to minus 1.791. This value of x is negative and this value of x is positive. And here x is greater than equals to 0. So that's why this value of x is rejected and this value of x is accepted. So this is our first solution. Now solve case second. Case second is a is equals to minus x minus 1. And here x square this is equals to a plus 5. X square this is equals to a plus 5. Then x square this is equals to value of a is minus x minus 1 plus 5. X square this is equals to minus x minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square plus x minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply again quadratic formula and value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to 1 and value of c is equals to minus 4 and quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and divide by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is 1 plus minus square root of b square, value of b is 1 square minus 4, value of a is 1 and value of c is also minus 4 and divided by 2 times a and we know that value of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 4 is 16 divided by 2. Then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 17 divided by 2. Here we have two values of x. X is equals to minus 1 if we take positive sign square root of 17 over 2. And here x is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 17 divided by 2. This value of x is approximately equals to 1.5615 and this value of x is approximately equals to minus 2.5615. But look carefully, here a is equals to minus x minus 1 and we know that a is greater than equals to 0. This value of a is replaced by minus x minus 1, then here minus x minus 1 is greater than equals to 0. If we add both side 1, then you can say minus x is greater than equals to 1. And here if we multiplied both side minus 1, then x is less than equals to minus 1. Here in this case value of x is less than equals to minus 1, but here this value of x is positive and this value of x is negative and this value of x is less than of minus 1 because this value is approximately equals to minus 2.5615. So here this value of x is rejected and this value of x is accepted. Here this is second solution. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.